The next property that we have is the associative property of addition. Now, the associative property comes from the word associate, meaning how things are grouped. Like if you have ever heard the phrase on a investigation show, last known associates, like his last known associates were blah blah blah. It means the people that you group yourself with, right? So this property is about grouping items and changing the way that we group them. It says the quantity, so I'm going to denote the parentheses with the word quantity. The quantity A plus B plus C, so the A and B are grouped on the left hand side, equals A plus the quantity B plus C. Okay, so what that says is, we have this example here, the quantity 1 plus 10 and then plus 5 equals 1 plus the quantity 10 plus 5. So if I start on the left hand side, that 1 plus 10 plus 5, and I do the grouped items together first, so the 1 plus 10 is 11, and then I add the 5, I would get 16. And the question is, does that equal the right hand side? So if I start with 1 plus the quantity 10 plus 5, that means I have to add the 10 plus 5 first. So 10 plus 5 is 15, and then add the 1, I do in fact still get 16. So even though we've grouped them differently and we started adding in a different spot, the result was the same. Okay. So the first example says, using the associative property, rewrite the statement. If not possible, write n/a for not applicable. Okay, so it says the quantity 18 plus 32 plus 21. And it wants to know if we can rewrite this. So this is different than the commutative property because the numbers themselves don't move. They don't change order. I'm still going to have 18 plus 32 plus 21, so the exact same order, but I'm going to group them different. Okay, so in the first, or on the left hand side, it says the 18 and 32 get grouped, and so if I want to change it, now I'm going to group the 32 and the 21. Okay, and these would be equal. The next one says 198 minus the quantity 43 minus 17. Okay, again, subtraction. Is it associative? We don't know, so let's try it. I'm going to try it by grouping it the two different ways. Again, the order doesn't change, but what I group will change. Okay, so on the first set, I've grouped the 43 and the 17, and on the second set, I've grouped the 198 and the 43. So let's go ahead and do the parentheses first. So 43 minus 17 would give us 26. And then I do 198 minus 26, and I get 172. Now the ones that are grouped a different way, I have to start with the 198 minus 43. I get 155. I still have to subtract 17, and we get 138. So notice I did not end up with the same values. So it is not associative. I can't do it. I can't regroup it a different way when we're talking about subtraction. So instead of rewriting it, I'm going to write n/a. That's my answer. It's not applicable. This property does not work with subtraction.